5 traits the most dangerous people in the world have. 1. They know how to use anger. Now what do I mean by this? So using anger for, say, to get to where you want to be. So use anger. When you get really angry, you can tap into that anger and use it for good. Instead of going there and punching someone, inflicting damage on someone, you can use it to motivate you to bring yourself forward into achieving things that you never thought you could achieve. Like, for instance, someone hurt you before, someone beat you up. So you're gonna get angry and you're gonna work on your fighting skills, you're gonna work on your stamina to make sure that shit doesn't happen again. You know, you got angry because someone fired you from a job. So you're gonna get angry, you're gonna work on your high value skills to make sure you're not so easy to fire again. Someone cheated on you, you know, you're gonna use that anger to build yourself and think about why they hurt you, why they cheated on you, and make sure that shit doesn't happen again. Of course, cheating is inevitable, that's gonna happen regardless, but there's things you can do, there's reasons why people cheat, and you know, working on yourself is a part of that. So number 2, they are self-reliant. Okay, so they realize that the problems are within them. They take responsibility for their actions, and anything that they can control, they take full responsibility. They don't get something done throughout the day, that's their fault. It's their responsibility to maintain that level of standards. They are self-reliant in that they don't expect anything from anybody else. They don't expect handouts from anybody else. They know the power is within them, and they can use that to gain what they want, to gain traction, to gain higher level of consciousness. Number 3, they are strategic thinkers. Okay, now what do I mean by this? Well, instead of going guns blazing, like when a problem arises, they strategically think about the best solution for that problem. Now if you make a target with yourself that you're gonna think strategically about situations, about problems, then it's like a tree. You think of one solution, and then many other solutions will form, and so many different actions you can take. Okay, they think clearly, and you know, they don't rush into deal with a problem. Someone upsets you, someone hurts you, you don't go and quick bang them out. No, we don't. We think about things. Why did this happen? You know, whose fault is it? What can be done to solve this situation? Okay, we think strategically. 4, they are self-motivated. Many people in life are not self-motivated, they're not self-driven. They need validation, they need people boosting them to get from A to B to C to D. Do you know what I mean? Like, they don't need any of that. They have the drive within them. They know what it takes for them to activate beast mode, bang, just like that. They know what it takes for them to activate like drive state, bang, just like that. They know what it takes to just get motivated within an instant. That's all it takes, just 1 second, bang. 5, they know that revenge is a fool's game, because if you got so much anger over somebody, you're never going to be happy yourself. You're going to be stifling your own progress, and you're not going to get anywhere in life. It's going to make you sour, it's going to make you bitter, it's going to make you hate people, hate yourself. We don't need any of that. People, high achievers, the most dangerous people in the world, they know that revenge is, if someone does wrong to you, let it come and let it go. Okay, there's no point staying angry at this person, because it's just, there's no point. Life is too short, guys. Life is too short to be worrying and being angry with individuals. You know what I mean? Let it go. Like, karma is real. Karma always comes back around. The people who did wrong, they'll be done wrong too. Yeah. So you do wrong, it comes back. Someone's gonna hurt you the same way you hurt somebody else. We all know this. It's the way of life. For all you people saying, no, karma's not real, karma's bollocks, it doesn't exist, the universe doesn't exist, it's bollocks, this, that and the other. Many times has happened. You know what I mean? Write in the comment section below, if you've cheated on someone, have you been cheated on yourself? You know what I mean? If you've stolen from someone, have you been stolen from yourself? Something always comes back around. You know, that's it. So the 5 traits of the most dangerous people in the world. Are you one of these?